Welcome to 1324 Bel Air Road in San Mateo. This home is magnificent. Can't wait to show you all the amazing details. Let's get started. Upscale, re-envisioned, reconstruction 2-story, 4-bedroom, plus an office den with canyon views. The builder is a 2-time awardee of Beautiful Belmont Award. This property boasts of 2,455 square feet of living space with a 2-car garage and a 2-car carport on an 11,000 square foot lot. Weathered elegance, wired brushed oak engineered wood flooring throughout the home. The well-appointed kitchen boasts top-of-the-line Thermador stainless steel appliances, sleek countertops, custom cabinetry, and inviting island sure to delight any home chef. This property isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. Seize the opportunity to call this San Mateo gem your own and relish in the convenience of its location, the beauty of its westerly hilltop views, and the sheer luxury of its modern open design. Don't miss your chance to experience the best of California living in this extraordinary residence. It has an open floor plan with a viewing deck from the 2nd floor and a large deck and outdoor kitchen for entertainment in the backyard. Venture outside to discover the dramatic garden oasis and newly installed deck area where the outdoor space has been thoughtfully designed for luxurious entertaining with a built-in outdoor kitchen. Whether you're hosting a soiree under the stars or simply seeking solace in your own private sanctuary, this meticulously landscaped area offers endless possibilities. Completely remodeled master bath with new surround, newly installed 72-inch vanity with 72-inch wide vanity mirror, custom tile work, frameless glass shower doors, rain shower head, and handheld shower wand. Thank you for joining me today to see this amazing home. If you'd like to see it in person, details are on the screen. Look forward to seeing you soon.